No one has to tell me to love you, I just do. All the stars that shine up above you know it too. Everything you are is everything I need. You're the one who's changed everything I believe, and it feels so good to me. Feels so good when you're talking to me. Feels so right, sharing the air you breathe. Feels so fine to be here alone with you. When it's real, it feels so good. So good, so good, so. All I ever needed was one love who'd be true. All you ever needed was one girl, me for you. You and me alone with only half our heart. We belong together and we're never apart, and it feels so good to me. Feels so good when you're talking to me. Feels so right, sharing the air you breathe. Feels so fine to be here alone with you. When it's real, it feels so good. So good, so good, so. Talk about it, dream about it. No one ever leave without it. Boy, it's you, don't ever doubt it. You're the right guy, all the right time, right for me. Feels so good when you're talking to me. Feels so right, sharing the air you breathe. Feels so fine to be here alone with you. When it's real, it feels so good. When it's real, it feels so good. When it's real, it feels so good. So good, so good. So good, so good. So good, so good. It feels so good. So good, so
Have you been like prolific out there?
We made necklaces, I painted, and then I have your necklace. I definitely got that down. Jeremy and I were working on it, and I got it on video. It's especially for you.
Aww, oh my god, I'm so excited. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Okay,
Your necklace. I definitely got that down. Jeremy and I were working on it, and I got it on video. It's especially for you.
Oh my God, I'm so excited. Thank you.
You're very welcome. What else?
I can't wait for you to come back. But I
Experience living on that island with 3 other people for 9 months. Analee, thanks so much for being on the show.
You're welcome. It's nice to be here.
So I guess let's start from the beginning. What compelled you to want to move to Agrihan and be one of the only settlers and the only female on the island?